I want to tell you something which most AI YouTubers may not tell you. Right now, there are chances that either you are paying for your AI tool subscription cost, which you really don't need to pay, or you are frustrated because you have hit your daily usage limit. I'm serious. Because you are paying for Claude Pro or Copilot Pro or maybe ChatGPT Plus Pro subscriptions, which cost you about 2,000 to 3,000 rupees per month. Yes, every month. But you do not know that there are cost effective and almost free options available which you can use and replace this subscription. Okay, so here is something which I have discovered as someone who have spent 25 years with enterprise IT and have built real AI solutions for the real clients on Azure platform. There are 14, yes, 14 AI models which you can run right now without any cost for free. You can use on Azure or some open source tools to run them. No paid subscription, no monthly commitment, no credit card requirement, absolutely free. So stay with me till the end because I'm going to show you the complete list where to get them and how to really use them. I will also share which one I have used for my real Azure projects. Also, by the end of this video, I'm going to reveal a free Azure tier which mostly people miss. So stay with me till the end. Now let's start this discussion. Do you know what many Indian IT professionals do when they start learning AI? They get excited. First thing they do, sign up for the ChatGPT Plus subscription. Later they add Copilot Pro and also Claude Pro subscription as well. And top of all of these things, they will have some AI coding tool as well. What happens? By the end of the month, they are paying 4,000, 5,000 and at times even more than this just for the subscription every month. I have seen happening this with my colleagues. I have seen freshers trying to upskill their career with these tools. In fact, I will be honest, I almost fell for this trap when I started learning AI on Azure. And here's the problem which is specific to us, to Indian IT professionals. Our salaries are in rupees and these AI tools are being charged and priced in dollars. With the current conversion rate, even a few dollars per month price can make 1,000 rupees of per month bill for us. Now multiply this with 2 or 3 tools. So before you open your laptop on Monday, you have already spent few thousand rupees already. This is what I found and I want you to remember this line. AI will not replace you, but paying for every AI tool will definitely drain your wallet. In this video, I will tell you those 14 AI models across Azure and open source tools which you can use for your 90% of the work, verified working right now. So let's start with Azure because this is where I spend most of my time as an Azure solution architect. Most people think Azure AI is expensive from the day one, but that is not true. When you create your Azure account, Microsoft gives you $200 credit. Now, 200 may sound a lot, but there is a smarter play. Inside Azure AI Foundry, which is a Microsoft unified AI platform, there is a model catalog where hundreds of models are available and most of them are available pay as you go model, which means when you pay this from your free credit, you cost nothing. So here are the 7 Azure AI model you should know. The first model is GPT 4.1 series. Yes, GPT 4.1 is on Azure AI Foundry. It has 1 million token context window. When you use your free $200 credit, it is free. Second model is O4 Mini. This is OpenAI's compact reasoning model. It is brilliant for math, coding and logical reasoning tasks. 200,000 token context window. Third model is GPT-4o Mini. This is budget-friendly text and image model. Great for prototyping Azure AI application without burning your credit. Fourth model is GPT OSS. Now, this one is interesting. In August 2025, OpenAI released GPT OSS, their first open weight model since GPT-2. The 20 billion parameter version GPT OSS 20B you can run locally on your own machine right now on Windows using Foundry Local, and 120 billion parameter version runs on Azure on a single business GPU. This is huge. This is OpenAI quality without the paid plan. Fifth model is Meta Llama 4. Meta's Llama model are available directly on Azure AI Foundry. These are production grade models with business support from Microsoft. Sixth model is Mistral AI model. Mistral is a French AI company making extremely efficient model. Their models are on Azure AI Foundry, great for code and multilingual tasks. Seventh model is DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek R1 is the model which shook Silicon Valley when it launched. It also available on Azure AI Foundry. It matches GPT-4o Mini on many benchmark and you can access it through Azure paid plan and free version as well. That are the 7 AI models on Azure which you can use almost for free with your free credit. But wait, I promised you 14 AI models, right? We are just at 7. The next 7 comes from completely open source, which can run locally. No paid plan, no cloud, not even an internet required. Completely locally available. A quick check. If you find this useful, which I believe you are because you are still here, please hit the like button. This really helps this channel to reach more Indian IT professionals who need this information. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe AI Catalyst. I am dropping new content every week about AI, Azure, and cloud computing. Now let us get back to those 7 AI models which are from open source. But before that, let me know in the comments what is your current spending per month on AI subscriptions. I'm really curious to know about this. Drop in the comment. Here is something which has changed dramatically in the last 12 months. Open source AI models which used to be good, now some of them are really great. A research paper published in April 2026 mentioned that some of the open source models like DeepSeek, R1 or QN are delivering 85 to 90% quality of the frontier models for most of the tasks. And to run these tools locally, you need one tool, Ollama. It is free, open source, and it makes running these AI models locally on your laptop as simple as installing an application. So here are the 7 open source AI models you should know. Model 8, DeepSeek R1. This is the reasoning champion of open source. It uses a 671 billion parameter architecture but only activates 37 billion at a time per query, which makes it efficient, which is available free via API and also self-hostable via Ollama. Ninth model is Meta Llama 4. You can run the Scout variant locally. For a senior IT professional experimenting with AI, this is a good starting point. Completely free, runs on your own machine. 10th model is QN 3.527 billion. This is from Alibaba's AI team. The 27 billion parameter version runs on consumer hardware. You need 16 GB of GPU memory. It is one of the best performing local models available right now. The 11th model is Mistral Large 3. Mistral's largest language model, available free via API on Open Router and also self-hostable. Great for European language tasks and code. The 12th model is GPT OSS 20 billion locally. I mentioned this in Azure section as well, but this is one is special because this open weight model, 20 billion parameters running locally on your Windows machine via Foundry Local. Think about that. Open AI quality on your laptop free of cost. 13th model is Google Llama 3. Google open weight Llama model are highly optimized and run well on consumer hardware via Ollama. Google released Llama under a permissive license, good for building and experimenting. The 14th model is PHI-3 Mini from Microsoft. And now, the one I promised you at the beginning of this video, the only one that even my experienced friends, architects do not know. Microsoft's own PHI-3 Mini. So Microsoft Research built the PHI family of some small language model, and PHI-3 Mini is available both on Azure AI Foundry and locally via Ollama. Here's what makes it special for Indian IT professionals. It is small model, roughly 3.8 billion parameters, which means it runs on an ordinary laptop without any special GPU. Even a decent business laptop can run it. Now you are probably thinking, okay Saurabh, this sounds great, but where do I start? This is my recommended plan. Just 3 steps, 10 minutes total. First is create Azure free account. Go to azure.microsoft.com, create your free account. You will get $200 credit in your account. Now go to Azure AI Foundry, browse the model catalog and find a model which is pay as you go on model. Now your free credit will cover the expenses. Second step is install Ollama. Go to ollama.com, download it and install it. Hardly take 5 minutes. Now open the terminal and type Ollama run PHI-3. Microsoft PHI-3 Mini will start downloading on your laptop, and now you will have AI running on your own laptop free forever. Step 3. Use a Google AI Studio for Google free tier. Go to aistudio.google.com, sign up with your Google account, and you will get free access to Flash 2.5 and Pro version. Now you can use up to 1,500 requests per day. 3 steps, 3 platform, 14 models, 0 monthly cost. Now compare this to your 5,000 rupees per month subscription cost. This is 60,000 rupees in a month. This is almost a brand new laptop. This is a real money. You know what? In my 25 years of experience in enterprise IT, I have seen one pattern repeat itself over and over. The professionals who build real expertise are not the one who spend more money on the tools. Those are the one who really understand the tools deeply. Every single rupee you save on the subscription is something you can invest in the real learning, certification, and to build something real on Azure. Start free, go deep, build real skills. That is the AI Catalyst way. If this video saved you money or at least made you think about it, hit the like button. It means a lot for this channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Every week I'm releasing a new AI content especially made for Indian IT professionals. And share this video with one of your IT colleague who is spending a lot of money on the AI subscription. This could save him about 60,000 rupees per year, which is a good gift from your side. Also, tell me in the comments, out of these 14 models, which one you are going to try first, or if you are already using any of them. I read all of those comments personally. This is Saurabh Upadhyay, an Azure Solution Architect from AI Catalyst, signing off for now. See you in the next one.